Hi everyone, welcome to another video announcement. Hope you're having a great week. As you know, we're in Module 5 Part 1 this week, and you should have posted by now in your small group. Remember, we're breaking our class up into small groups, Group 1 being for those doing research papers for their capstone assignment, and Group 2 being for those who are doing a project. So hopefully you figured that out. The discussion boards are inside those small groups, not in the class-wide discussion board. So once you've enrolled in a group, find the discussion board link in that group, and then that should take you to the topic for this week, depending on whether you're doing a paper or a project. So thank you for those who have posted already, and continue to interact with each other on that small group discussion board. As well, at the end of this module, your e-resume will be due. If you have questions on what an e-resume looks like, look at some of the examples I posted in the course, or contact me if you have further questions about that as well. Coming up in Module 5 Part 2, which opens tomorrow, we're going to be looking at our e-portfolios. So I know you've been working on those. Thank you for the information that you've provided about your checklist, and I've read all of those who've submitted. You look over the comments I made on those, and in most cases it looks like you're on track, but I do want you to have another look from your fellow students. So coming up in Module 5 Part 2, you'll be posting your ePortfolio link, and others can choose your ePortfolio to look over and give you feedback on, especially feedback about the required parts of your ePortfolio, if they're working, what needs to still happen before it's due, and things like that. So hopefully that will be a useful assignment in this upcoming module. As well, we're going to be looking at the formatting, especially of your sources. So that's usually, in my past experience, a big part of the paper where students sometimes lose points, is the formatting of the references page or the works cited page. So we're going to kind of review that. And then in the next module after this one that opens tomorrow, you'll be submitting preliminary works cited or references page, for me to just kind of look over and make sure you're on the right track as far as formatting, so that that's not one of the things you may lose points on in your final submission. As well, there is a journal next week, just giving your thoughts on what you may do after graduation. It's usually a very encouraging journal for me to read, because I'm always excited to see all the things that our MDS students are doing, but just sharing those hopes and experiences with me is part of what you'll be doing in this next module as well. So if you have questions on any of that or any of the upcoming assignments, please let me know. And if I don't hear from you, I'll definitely see you online. Thanks.